Set the mechanical origin and software limit teaching. 1. Cancel the system software limit, open the simulator. F10 next page F3 laser parameter F5 all param. F5 go to param, enter 2401. Press enter key, set parameters 2401 to 2408 to 0. Password 520. Two. Press ESC several times to return to the home page. F6 axial module, select fast. Move the machine to the XYZ mechanical origin position. 3. Set the mechanical origin, select the origin mode, press ESC to return to the home page. F10 next page F3 laser parameter F5 all param F10 next page F1 serial tuning F1 general serial axis F7 absolute origin. Click on all axes, press F1 finder set, that is, complete the mecha. Convenience setting method. After opening the simulator, press Ctrl plus Alt plus H key at the same time. You can set the current XYZ position as the mechanical origin. 4. After setting, press F6 axial module on the home page. Select the fast moving mode, move the machine to the XYZ positive and negative limit position. Record the current XYZ coordinates and enter the parameter page. On the home page press F10 next page F3 laser parameter F5 all param. After the input is completed, press Stop Marking on the emulator homepage to take effect.